What's the meaning of circadian? Circadian. Circadian.
Circadian. Circadian. The word circadian refers to biological processes that follow a roughly 24-hour cycle, such as the sleep-wake cycle. It is derived from the Latin word circa, meaning around, and dies, meaning day. This cycle is regulated by an internal biological clock that is influenced by external cues such as light and temperature. Disruptions to this cycle can have negative effects on physical and mental health, including sleep disorders, mood disorders, and metabolic dysfunction. Therefore, maintaining a healthy circadian rhythm is important for overall well-being.